like the way it sounds too. We gotta get Army Tricks to sponsor us and put an exhaust on this thing. What's up guys, DIY Salvage Guy here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're gonna have a potluck. We're gonna be doing so many different things that I really can't even name them all. We gotta button up the interior, we gotta get the airbag light off, we have to get the dashboard assembly all back together, and we have to do a bunch of other things as well. And we're gonna do some little wiring, and most of all, we're going to take this for a test drive again. We're gonna rip this up and down the street, we're gonna test out the suspension, and we're just gonna listen to that beautiful exhaust note and just get a couple smiles because the hard work is going to be paying off very soon. So if you guys are new here, hopefully you guys will consider smashing that subscribe button. Everyone else, please make sure you guys smash that like button, comment down below, interact with me, let me know what you guys think about this stuff. How's the car sound? How's it look? What do you guys think? Make sure you guys have your post notifications on, and also make sure you guys are following me over on Instagram and Facebook. Got a link down below. That way you guys stay up to date on the build and everything else that goes on this channel. Just want to point out again guys, so we got the airbag back installed. It's not plugged in right now, but it is in there and I don't have the wire connected. So what I did was I turned the ignition on. I'm going to disconnect the battery while the ignition is on. Then I'm going to plug the airbag in and then we'll reconnect the battery. Pyrotechnics you have to be very careful with. So we're going to take care of that now. We'll disconnect the battery, plug it all in, and we'll be good. So we got the battery disconnected. Plug this in, plug the battery back in. So we got the airbag plugged back in, we'll reconnect the battery. And this should be the last time we have to disconnect it. So looking good. Airbag's back in. Plugged in, electrical's on, nothing blue. Still have our airbag light on, which we obviously know. Just got to reset that with a scanner, we'll be good. So we're just going to button the rest of this back up, and then we will start working on some other things today. Best thing about having a convertible is obviously being able to drop the top, and when you're working on cars, being able to just take the roof off and having unlimited access just makes it so good. So I'm gonna let you guys see this one more time because I love this part. Okay, so this is supposed to be straight. It's part of the strut support underneath for body structure. So it's supposed to be straight. I don't think this happened in the accident, but so we have to hammer this down. So in order to do that, we are going to heat it up. Then we're going to take a nice sledgehammer and hopefully just bend the metal back. test it on it.
Like you could have done that without the heat.
So now nice and straight. So let me know if you guys have seen this before. So in the accident, this got kind of destroyed. So this is what it's supposed to be. All the entire connector kind of broke off. This one got destroyed as well, but this one seems to be in decent shape. Yeah, it should still plug in and be alright. I'll probably look into another one of these real quick. So take the part number down and get another one. But right now we're just going to plug this in. So we got to cut these wires here, make sure that the wires are correct, and then we will just connect those up. So So, same concept, same result. We got two in here, you know, they're sturdy, not gonna come apart. This is just the washer fluid. I mean, it's not high voltage or anything like that, so it's not really anything you need to worry about. Let's wrap this up with some electrical tape, and this will be good to go to plug back in, and we'll look into another one for this if we need it. I don't know. I don't know where this goes. I don't remember. But I'm sure we'll figure it out when the time comes. Hey guys, so we got the tire back on. We put the shield on and everything on the inside. We tightened up the heat shield bolts and everything. Camera died, so we didn't record it. But everything's tightened up, so this side should be good. We shouldn't have to take this apart anymore. The only thing we might still have to do on this side is take the bumper off and maybe try to correct the paint a little bit. So what we're going to do now is we're going to hop inside. And we are going to try to reset that airbag light. We got the scan tool, so we'll give it a shot and hopefully we will be able to do it. We got the airbags all set up, all replaced and everything, so hopefully just click reset, we'll reset the module. Got the snap-on scanner, pop it into the OBD2 and see what we can do with this. So now that we got everything buttoned up, we're going to take it for a quick test drive. The only thing that's really not connected right now is the bumper, as you can see, and the fender right here. But it's connected enough. We're not going to be going too fast or anything, so We're just going to see how the suspension did. Got tires all buttoned up, so just see how it goes. Fix the backup camera still.
Yeah, backup camera doesn't work right now.
Yeah, alignment seems good.
Alignment seems doable. Right a little bit.
Ride's good.
Feels nice.
Thanks.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude, that's insane. Is the car, can that even handle that right now?
Car's together.
I feel like there's some missing. I'm filming.
Alright, here we go.
Should I get the 0 to 60?
Oh, we're not getting up to 60 yet.
Shit. Well, it's fast. Oh my god.
This car rips, man.
Dude, it's insane.
I like the way it sounds, too.
Dude, when you pick the pickup is nice. Dude.
We gotta get Army Tricks to sponsor us to put an exhaust on this thing.
Shit.
Paddle shifters, man.
Dude, it's insane. I can feel it. Oh. Car works well.
Wanna do one more?
No, I'm scared. I've done it, of course. Steering gonna be as loose as yours?
Nope, it's a sports car. Cody's gonna give it a shot. You have a seatbelt on. Keep it slow, you have a car right there.
I could just press it down, it's fine. Let me know you're good.
Go.
Quick. All right, DIY himself. as you guys can tell, it's a pretty fast car. It's no like 1,000 horsepower, but it's an Audi. It's nuts. Coming back. Woo!
That's gonna do it for today's episode, guys. Hopefully you got to see what was going on. We had a bunch of things that we had to conquer today, and we basically just hit everything, just basically buttoning a bunch of things back up. And we enjoyed that test drive. Car is gonna be so much fun, giving it to Cody, and he's gonna enjoy it. It's really fast, ultimate car. It's got the best of all the worlds, and so hopefully you guys will stick around for the rest of this build and future builds. So if you guys are new here, please make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Everyone else, please like, comment, interact with me, let me know what you guys think about this stuff. Make sure your post notifications are on, and also make sure you guys are following me over on Instagram and Facebook. That way you guys stay up to date on the build and everything else that goes on in this channel. Doing this type of thing, it's hard work, it's a labor of love, it's learning as we go. That's what this channel is all about. And I hope that you guys will be inspired by this and just pick up a wrench, buy a car, do whatever you need to do. Just try to become a DIY salvage guy yourself.